Hi, my name is Makaran Guru,
And I'm
and
Siddhi.
this is our little baby. So it was a beautiful experience for both of us, and obviously it was a life-changing experience. And all credit goes to the MyWB program, which we had started around a year back,
Yeah.
and it basically shows us or gives us a path or gives us a direction of what we should expect. I mean, a father's role is not just to sit beside the mother. He needs to know what should happen when and what is my role in that. And as much as Siddhi knew what are the things that she needs to do, I also knew all the things, and I was there with her from the first moment until the last one, wherein I could see my baby coming out. I knew terms like what is a mucus plug, what is crowning, and stuff like that, and I could actually experience the entire delivery stuff. I could see my baby coming out, and I could actually witness the entire moment right till the end. And it was really a nice experience for us, and I really feel that I supported her in this extremely tough but easygoing journey. Uh, as usual, every pregnancy is a little bit different. Ours as well was a bit complicated, not really complicated, but a bit twisted because
Yeah, there was no complications
complicated.
as in it was extremely smooth throughout.
Yeah.
Just it was overdue, and because of being overdue, we had a little what you can say. We were in two minds like now is it going to happen naturally, or we had to go for a C-section in this case, since I was overdue for around 1.5 week from my EDD, but still after even
Right.
after that, like, we were extremely
We were not getting natural pains.
casuals.
That's the reason why we had to induce tablets. And even after inducing 3 tablets, we were sort of not getting that pain. So even in that kind of dilemma situation, doctor asked us to hold on, to wait, and we'll see how it goes because it has always been Dr. Manisha's preference that we'll obviously go for normal delivery, and that is what we wanted because that was what our vision was. And it was so surprising to see that in the end, actually, we didn't have to wait. Those tablets started working, and the labor kick started, and the baby was there with us within the span of 4 hours. So that kind of judgment, that kind of
Confidence. The doctor had the confidence that no,
Yeah.
we are going to deliver normally. You do not have an option to go for C-section. This is
Yeah,
what she told
exactly.
me on the phone.
So it greatly helped us, and I'm sure it will help all of the viewers who are having a look at this. And best wishes from us.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Hello everyone. Hi all the mommies to be. I am Siddhi, and I'm here to share my experience, my delivery experience. I was overdue for more than, I think, a week or more than 10 days, and finally I mean, like, even after being overdue, we constantly had our doctor's support, Dr. Manisha ma'am's support, and she was very what you can say, very supportive, and always asked us to stay relaxed and calm, and that is what we had practiced throughout our by being in my WP program, that is to be relaxed and stay stress free and calm, and that is what helped us till the date, even if it was overdue. And the day when doctor asked us to get admitted, we had our dinner, and in the night we got admitted, and it was all very smooth and stress free environment till then. And even after that, so the other day, the next day, we started with the process. I was induced. Even after I was induced by giving a tablet, even after the inducing, I waited for quite hours, for a long time, but still there was no what you can say, there were no natural labor, there was no natural pain, but throughout my time throughout the waiting time was again extremely smooth. Me along with my husband Makran, we were enjoying the time. We were in the hospital. We were chit chatting. We were watching movies, and along with that, I was practicing exercises, such as I was walking throughout. I was doing the squatting exercises. So these all exercises, and basically how to remain calm and focused and stress free is what we had learned in my WP program, and that's what we had been practicing, and that's what helped us to reach at least till this level. Even after being overdue, it was all calm and composed. That's how we were till then. Even on the day when we got admitted, and the other day when there were no pains, it was all going smooth. In this time frame, we were in constant touch with ma'am, and whatever she was asking us to do, that you need to wait, and after waiting till then, enjoy your time in the hospital. That's what we had been doing. In after the second day, when after few hours and the evening time, then I started getting pains, and in that pain as well, it was the pain definitely was not that favorable, but yeah, we were strong enough to face it. Makran was continuously with me, and even this was the vision which we had, that whenever I'll be admitted and the pain would start, me and Makran would be together, and this is how we had vision, and that's exactly what had happened. So this vision, forming this vision, having this vision is what the part of the program, what the program teaches us, and we had been doing it. So going to the hospital, being together, enjoying the time in the hospital, chit chatting, exercising, having a good gala time, this is what we had already visioned, and the vision was coming true on the actual the time when I got admitted. Although I did not imagine that it will be a long time and it would be overdue, but it all went good till then. And then when the pain started, my labor was, I think, for around 4 hours, from 5 o'clock. It started from 5 to 5:30 in the evening, and till 9 o'clock I was in labor. So the labor went in stages. It started with a with a smaller, lesser contraction, and as the time passed on, the contraction started increasing. I started dilating. So I was waiting since morning till the evening. There were no pains, and suddenly the pain started, and there was a sudden what you can say, progress. From 1 centimeter within an hour, it went to 5 to 6 centimeters. I got the cervix got open, and throughout this, we were in constant touch with our doctor, and she just asked that let it happen on its own and naturally. You don't have to worry on the the timelines and everything. And finally it came up to the level where it has to be dilated, I think around 10 centimeter or so. So when that happened, the doctor was, and for some time, like, I was also under the I was thinking that I am not able to see I can't see the doctor is not here, when is she going to come and all. But no, she definitely came on time and everything, and I got delivered. So this is what it happened very nicely, although it was a waiting time in the morning time, and I thought that no, it won't be delivered at that evening. I think I will be delivering the other day. But no, everything went out very smooth, and my stay in the hospital was very nice because of the practices which we had learned in my WP and I had been doing. Along with that, I also want to add that I had been a part of the yoga classes. So yoga definitely helped me to maintain my flexibility. I was quite flexible and quite supportive. This is what I got to know from the staff, because whatever they were asking me to do, I could do it very efficiently. I mean, like, I could follow the instructions, keeping a peaceful mind. So I don't think so like this happens, just over a period of time. I mean, like, just happens instantly. This has to be practiced, and to practice this, definitely you need a good support and guidance, and a coach or a mentor, and definitely your a supporting hand from your husband. So how can husband be a part of your this beautiful journey is also been taught in the program. So I definitely would want all of the mommies or parents to experience this beautiful journey exactly the way we have experienced, or definitely something in a better way than us, like me and Makaran. And our doctors and the program will definitely help all of us, has helped me, and definitely it will help you guys to have a beautiful journey and to become a wonderful parents. Thank you.
Not like a role something.